Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I did the, I forget the name. Yeah, I cooked 3 rice 8 weeks and 2 days ago. Yeah, and I did this with one of that. I love you. And this I said every day to the rice. Yeah, and after 6 weeks, it was the same like after 8 weeks. Yeah, it's still looking like you can eat it. Yeah, there is nothing inside. Here's a little bit. Yeah, but this is absolute not the same like this one. Yeah, this is a hate one. And every day I go to this rice and said, I hate you, fuck off, go home, and whatever I did. Yeah. So, and now is coming the worst. Ignore. And this I did. Yeah, I just ignore it and look that. It's completely super moldy. Yeah, absolutely. This is what I also don't like at all. Yeah, maybe because of that, I hate it so much. Yeah, because I feel the same like this rice here. Yeah, if you ignore me, yeah, you can say to me, I'm not your friend, fuck off, whatever, but don't ignore me. This is the last you can do with me, same like with that rice. Okay, I wish you a nice day, have a good time, bye bye.